Sustainability is a broad term that can encompass a variety of factors, from climate change to human welfare. So when we talk about telcos working to become more sustainable, that can mean a lot of different things. So we interviewed 7 telcos globally to understand more about where telcos are focusing their efforts when it comes to sustainability. And our research showed that telcos are increasingly engaging with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, which are the 17 goals that they were set up by the UN, and they're intended to be realised by 2030 and provide a blueprint to achieve a more sustainable future. And we found that all the telcos we interviewed do contextualise their sustainability initiatives within the SDGs, so they provide a pretty good framework to compare how telcos are focusing their efforts. And if we look at this table, we can see that some telcos focus on just a few of the SDGs, such as Telco 6, while others align their sustainability initiatives with multiple SDGs, such as Telco 4 that looks to consider all 17 goals in some capacity. And if we look across all 17 goals, we can see that there are only 2 SDGs, goals 9 and 13, that are a common focus across all of the telcos. SDG 9, which is Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, is one where telcos can have a big impact because their network infrastructure can form a technological foundation that then enables solutions to social, ecological and industrial challenges. And Goal 13 is climate action, which is pretty unsurprising because this is something that's moved to the top of everyone's agenda, not just within the telecoms industry. And we've seen a lot of movement in this space, and many operators and their partners have committed to reducing their carbon footprints over the next decade, in many cases to net zero.